Hi student, let me start our maths class. Today we discuss about associativity. The last class we discussed about commutativity of rational number. Today we discuss about associativity. Then first we discussing whole numbers. Then take any three whole numbers. 5 plus 3 plus 2 equal 5 plus 3 plus 2. Look, 5 plus, what is 3 plus 2? Is 5. Again, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2. 5 plus 5 is 10 equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. The both LHS and RHS is same. So we can say this addition is associative for whole numbers. Then next is subtraction. 5 minus 3 minus 2 equal 5 minus 3 minus 2. Then 5 minus, what is 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is minus 1. Here 5 minus 3 is plus 2 minus 2. 5 minus minus 1. 5 minus minus 1 is plus 1 equal to 2 minus 2, 0. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 0. It's not equal. Here LHS will be 6 and RHS will be 0. Then both sides are not equal. Subtraction is not associative for whole numbers. We can see. The next step, case of multiplication in whole numbers. Take three numbers. 3 into 2 into 4. Here 3 into 2 into 4. Grouping. Here 2, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 1, 2. 3 into 2, 4 into 8. 3 into 2 into 4, 8. Here 3 into 2, 6 into 4. What is 3 into 8? 24. And here 6 into 4, 24. LHS and RHS is both are equal. So whole numbers are associative. Whole numbers are associative in multiplication. Then look at the division. 3 divided by 2 divided by 4 equal 3. This 2 and 4 are group and 3 and 1 another group. Like this. Then 3 divided by 2 by 4 and 3 by 2 divided by 4. Look at, first we can see there is not, the answer will be 3 and 3 into 2 by 4. 3 into 4 by 2. Then here 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. Here 12 by 2 and 3 by 2 into 4, 8. What's the answer? 6. 3 by 8. It's not equal. That we can say the division is not associative in whole numbers. All of you understand? Then next we discuss about in integers. In three properties. Take any three integers. Addition. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 here. 2 and 3 one group. And minus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 and 2 are one group. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. Here minus 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 3. Here minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Here 1 plus 3 is 4. So both sides are equal. So we can see integers are associative for addition. Addition. So we can say both LHS and RHS are equal. So the addition is associative for integers. Then look at the subtraction. Next we will discuss about the subtraction. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is minus 1. Here, minus 1, minus 2 is minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 1, minus 2. That is minus 3. Then here, minus 3. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 3 plus minus 3 is minus 6. And minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Minus 6. It's not equal. So, we can say subtraction is not associative for integers also. Integers. Then next, discuss about the integers in multiplication. In the case of multiplication. Minus 1 into 2 into 3. Minus 1 into 2 into 3. But is minus 1 into 2 into 3, 6. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 into 3. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Both LHS and RHS are equal. That's we can say the multiplication is associative for integers. Then look at the division also. Discuss about division. Division because in integers. Minus 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. Here equal to minus 1 divided by 2 and divided by 3. Look at minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 equals minus 1 by 2 divided by 3. Minus 1 divided by into minus 1 divided into 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Look, minus 1 into 3 minus 3 by 2 equal minus 1 we know is minus 1 by 6. So both are not equal. Thus we can say that division is also division is not associated for integers. Look at minus 1. Here minus 1 2 by 3 is the reciprocal 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided the reciprocal of 3 that 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2 is not equal to minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1 2 into 3 6 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 then 2. These both are not equal. So we can say division is not associative for rational numbers. Rational number. A main topic in rational numbers. There are properties associative property in rational number. Look at addition. Like three numbers 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Sorry. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Then 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 in one group plus 1 by 4. Look at 2 by 3. Yeah, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What is that? Plus 4 1 into 4 2 into 1 plus 2 by 2 into 4 8. 4 plus 2 by 8. Here also equal to 2 by 3. That is 2 into 2 4 3 into plus 3 into 1 3 3 into 6 2 6 plus 1 by 4. Here 2 by 3 plus 4 plus 2 6 by 8. Correct? Okay. Then 4 plus 3 7 by 6 plus 1 by 4. Do it again. Then 2 by 3 2 into 8 2 into 8 16 plus 18 3 into 8 24 equal 7 into 4 32 7 into 4 28 plus 6 into 1 6 divided by 6 into 4 24. Then 16 plus 18 16 plus 18 33 16 33 by 24 Here 8 plus 6, 3 things, 1. 16 plus 18 is 34. 34 by 24. Here 28 plus 6 is 34 by 24. You can see the both sides are equal. LHS and RHS are equal. Then we can say addition is associative for rational number. In the case of addition, next we discuss about the subtraction. I hope all of you understand. Then subtraction. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 equal 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 in one group and minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 3, 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 3, 3, 4 minus 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 12. Here 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, then 2 minus 1, the 3 minus 2 divided by 2 into 3, 6, minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4, okay. 1 by 2, 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3, 1 is 4 minus 3, is 1 by 12, okay. Here 3 minus 2, what is 3 minus 2? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. If you understand, then here subtracting. Here 12 minus 2 by 12 into 2, 2 into 2, 12 into 2 is 24, equal to, then 4 into 1, 4 minus 6 divided by, 4 minus 6 by 6 into 4, 24. Look at 12 minus 2, 10 by 24, and 4 minus 6, what is minus 2 by 24. Look at, we can see both sides are not equal. So subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. We can see in associative, subtraction is not associative for rational number. In case of multiplication, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Both these are one group. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 another group into 1 by 4. We can see 1 by 2 into 1 by 12. Here 1 by 6 into 1 by 4. Here what can 1 by 24 and is equal to 1 by 24. You can see multiplication is also associative for rational numbers. Okay. Then next in division. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. These are one group. The main thing is grouping. Then 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. These are one group. Okay, 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 into 4 by 1. Here 1 by 2 into 3 by 1 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 2 divided into 1 into 4, 4, 4 by 3 equal 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Listen, here division 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 3 equal 1 into 3, 2 into 1, 2 and divided by 1 by 4. Here 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 reciprocal. Here 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 4 by 1. So reciprocal. You can see the both signs are. Say the answer will be 3 by 8 and 12 by 2 is not equal. So we can say division is not associative for rational numbers. So in these cases, these problems, we can see addition. Addition is associative for rational numbers. That is any rational number A, B, C, and A, B, C. We can say A plus B plus C, grouping. B plus C is first group, and A plus B plus C here is also, we can write it like this: A plus B plus C. then subtraction is not associative for rational number. Then look at the multiplication. Multiplication is associative. We see the problem for rational number, that is for any three rational numbers a, b and c, a into b into c is one group, and here the next here a into b. We can write any group, we can arrange any order, grouping any order. Okay, these are associative. Multiplication is associative, division is not associative. All of you, I hope all of you understand these problems. These property, associative property. Then okay, I hope all of you understand the associative property of rational numbers. Rational numbers, once again I say, addition is associative and subtraction is not associative. Division is, multiplication is associative, division is not associative. Through the problems there is a lot of questions are here. All of you read the textbook one or two, three or times, more times, and look at the problems also. There is a one try this homework for you. Here page number page number 9, try this. Page number 9, try this. Okay, all of you understand that the exercises are coming after that. A lot of properties are there. So we will be discussing later. All of you understand the property. All of you understand the class. If you need, I will ask me. Thank you.